Public speaking can seem little daunting when you are just getting started, but not anymore, because you're going to learn 4 simple steps how to get started with public speaking as a beginner. And by the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to address an audience. So that's coming up. We are doing 3-part series here, where you learn how to start, how to better, and how to perfect your public speaking. And this is the first part of the video series. Alright? First things first, I'll be happy to email you a free PDF summary of this video topic so you have all the trackable steps and tips while you're working on them. I've posted a link in the section below. Make sure you grab it. So first step is one-on-one conversation. Get this in your mind right now. You are already a speaker. You communicate every day with your friends, colleagues, family, strangers. Yes, if you can hold one-on-one conversation, you can surely connect with a bigger audience too. Cool? Now go get up on a stage and start talking in front of 100 people. Okay, that was just a joke. Don't talk in front of 100 people. But as a second step, start moving on to 1 to 2 conversation and observe if you can speak for more than 30 seconds and hold people's attention while you speak. Although the study says the optimal attention span of listener is 20 minutes. But of course, you don't need to start there. Let's start small, doable, really baby step. So hold 2 people's attention for 30 seconds. Try doing this for a couple weeks or a month and practice. Practice will surely put you on a right track. And if you do it consistently, awesome! That's success right there. Because you had 2 people listen to you while you spoke. And that is the beginning of public speaking. And hey, I'd love to know from you, talking for 30 seconds in a group of 3 is doable for you or not? Type 30 seconds in the comment section below. Now, before we move on to the next step, here are 2 bonus steps for you, which are critical for your growth. Here's the first one. Listen to yourself. This is the first thing every new speaker should do. Stand in front of a mirror and hear yourself talk. The mirror allows you to be cognizant of the subtle distracting actions we make. You might notice few clutch words like if you say and see if you can make any improvements on it. This is called sharpening your axe before you hit the tree. Here's the bonus number 2. Get feedback. Yes, getting feedback from others is equally important because that will boost your performance rapidly. Do you know top performing companies work on getting feedback because it improves their performance? And so should you if you want to improve your performance in public speaking. I agree that it might be a little uncomfortable doing this, but after conversation, don't feel shy to ask what other person thinks about your talk. There is no harm letting other person know that you are working on your public speaking skills and would appreciate genuine feedback. So after conversation with a small group or with your friend, ask, how do you think I can improve the way I talk? Yes, use the same words and you will be surprised with the responses. And that brings me to the third step, small group. Now move on from group of 3 people to about 7 to 10 people and try delivering 5 minutes talk. Is your heart pumping faster now? This will get you prepared to hold small group of people for longer period of time. And one of the great places where I brushed up my public speaking skills few years back is Toastmasters Club. You can join any club whichever is closest to you. Just look at their website. At Toastmasters Club, you get to speak to an audience and get feedback too. You are surrounded with like-minded people who want to improve their public speaking skills too. It's a win-win for all, great beginners platform and exceptionally good practice to improve your public speaking. First of all, try 5-minute speech first and gradually increase it to 7 to 10 minutes. Type Toastmasters in the comment section below if you have heard of Toastmasters before. Now, at this point, you should be good to go big. And this brings to the 4th step, which is find a stage. Let the feeling of accomplishment drive you to take up a bigger stages now, like speaking at the seminar you have been attending, or go ahead and tell your boss that you are ready to tackle next presentation. address customer meet or business event you have been avoiding since long. The possibilities are endless and you have just started. No more reason to hide and stay quiet. Go up there, speak it out. You are already a speaker. Alright? I know this is a lot to take in, but as I said, I'd be happy to email you a free PDF summary of this video topic. So make sure you grab it from the section below. This is Nikhil saying goodbye for now and see you in the next video, which is how to get better at public speaking. Let's get you speaking.